are 7 steps to tomato growing success. Choose your tomato. This year I'm gonna be trying a new variety called Amish Paste. This was recommended by another staff member, and apparently it grows huge, juicy Roma tomatoes. Pick your pot. I like to choose a really large pot. Basically, the bigger the pot, the bigger the tomato. Also, tomatoes require really good drainage, so make sure the pot you choose has drain holes at the bottom. Get good soil. I can't stress this enough. Soil is super important. I choose the My Soil organic potting mix because it's ready to go. You don't have to amend it, and it has excellent drainage, and it's organic. Plant your tomato. So because this tomato is already a little bit tall, I'm going to bury it about halfway down and just make sure to clip off the stems that will be buried. Just like that. Support your tomato. Very important step. So I like to use sturdy stakes because I can use them year after year. So you want to bury that right down in the center. And then I love using tomato clips, and basically you just clip the stem right on to the stake. And that's going to give it lots of support so it doesn't fall over. I also love to use a tomato cage for added support. Feed and water your tomato. This is a super important step that I cannot stress enough. If you don't feed your tomato, you're not going to have a lot of fruit. I like to start the season off with an organic tomato and vegetable slow release. Just simply take a little bit here and sprinkle it around the base of your plant. As your tomato gets bigger throughout the summer, I like to top off with the organic tomato and vegetable liquid. Your plant is going to be a lot hungrier during these hot months because you're going to be watering it every day. And be sure to water well. A sunny location. Make sure your tomato plant gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. May long weekend is prime tomato planting time. Right now in Amsterdam, we have a huge selection of organically homegrown tomatoes for you to choose from. Happy gardening.